Our lesson essential question is, how can we use place value blocks to add 3-digit numbers? So today you're going to continue adding using a different strategy. And the strategy is using place value blocks. We'll be adding your hundreds, your tens, and your ones. You've seen place value blocks before. This one represents 100, this one represents 10, and this one represents 1. Find 238 plus 126. We start by showing 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 8 ones in place value blocks. We're adding 100, 2 tens, and 6 ones. The first thing we need to do is join the hundreds. We had 2 hundreds, we're adding 100. We now have 3 hundreds. Next, we need to join our tens. We had 3 tens, we're adding 2 more tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 tens. Last, we need to join our ones. 8 ones plus 6 ones is 14 ones. I can make a 10 out of that 14. So what I'm going to do is take 10 and move it over to the tens place. We need to make sure we cross out that 10. So we have 4 ones left. And we now have 6 tens. So my answer is 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones, or 364. It's important we make sure that we're regrouping that group of tens. Let's try number 3 from your workbook. I'm adding 151 plus 324. I start with 100, 5 tens, and 1 1. I'm adding 3 hundreds first. 1, 2, 3. How many tens am I adding? 2 tens. 1, 2. How many ones am I adding? 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put it all together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Now, as I'm looking, I cannot make a 10 out of my ones. I only have 5. I don't have at least 10, so I'm good. I cannot make 100 out of my tens. I need at least 10 tens to make 100. So I do not need to regroup at all. This is my answer. You're going to be practicing this strategy in your workbook today.